Shadowing is one of the best way to improve your spoken English in just 30 days. If you really want to speak English very fast in just no time, then shadowing technique is one of the best technique. This is the best of best and highly recommended for you. But in today's video, I am going to talk about one biggest misconception in India. Most of the Indian language learners, they think shadowing technique means I should copy actor and actresses, I should copy their tone, their pronunciation, then I will become fluent in English. This is called shadowing. If you think like that, you can't become fluent in English at all, because this is my personal experience. Once I was a learner too, even right now I am a learner, okay? So when I was learning English, then I wasted my 60 days. I was thinking shadowing technique means to copy. I was copying like Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra, etc. It didn't work for me. Do you know the reason? Shadowing technique has two types. The first is external shadowing and second is internal shadowing. But most of the Indian language learners, they avoid internal shadowing. They think shadowing means only to copy tone, pronunciation, etc. This is the right way. No. A shadowing technique means you should first go through the internal shadowing. Internal shadowing means silent repetition. Silent repetition means once you follow silent repetition, once you observe like how does a speaker speak, you don't need to use any word from your mouth, okay? Just observe. For instance, if I am speaking right now, then you should observe how does he think, how does he translate, does he translate or not, does he speak like expression directly or not. If you figure out my thinking, my depth, then you will be able to think directly in English, okay? This is known as internal shadowing. I will let you know in upcoming next few minutes, okay? So internal shadowing means you will learn how to think directly in English. Unless you think directly in English, you can't become a fluent English speaker, to be honest, because thinking is quite important while speaking. If you are mimicking anyone, okay, and then you can become fluent while mimicking. But if you don't have videos and you will have to speak in real life situations, how will you handle? Will you say, let me repeat after you? Will you say like that? Absolutely not, right? So this would be your like parrot learning. You will mug up everything like a parrot. So you should focus on just the speaker. First, you should go through the silent repetition, okay? This is known as internal repetition. Let me give you one example. For instance, let me talk about the money, and then you should focus on how do I speak, okay? Money is very important. Without money, you cannot survive even a single day in your life. I personally feel if you don't have money, nobody will respect in your daily life. Even your family members, they will bring you down. So I personally feel if you have money, then you should focus about your dreams and goals only, because you have now multiple options, multiple opportunities. You can explore, you can go to abroad, you can enjoy whatever you want in your life. But if you don't have money, you must think about your future, your next day, your career and all, and you will have mental anxiety, you will have overthinking. So this is how if I speak, your focus should be how I was speaking, right? And did I translate or not? No, I didn't translate. So how do I speak? Even though I speak in Hindi, English is my third language. So how is it possible to speak directly in English? Okay, this is known as silent repetition. In silent repetition, you don't need to do anything. Just observe the speaker. Just be silent, and your focus should be only on the speaker. Don't use any word, okay? Just look at like this and think like, how does he speak? Like, is he translating or not? So your focus should be only on the translation, on his sentence formation and etc. The second part, now I am going to talk about the external shadowing. This is the right way of copying others, right? Imitation technique. So now if I talk about the external shadowing, then this helps you to pronounce words correctly. Even you observe in my pronunciation, sometimes I mispronounce English words, but it's totally normal, okay? Because English is my third language, so sometimes if I live in Jharkhand right now, I have to speak in my Jharkhandi language, sometimes in English, sometimes in Hindi. So everything is mixed up, okay? So I don't care about anything. Now let me talk about a little bit external shadowing. External shadowing means if I am speaking something, then there should be like repetition. You should repeat after me. For instance, if I would say like traveling is very important in your life. Once you travel, then you don't have ego, because you know like how vast this universe is, and we should explore ourselves. One day we will die, everything has ending point, so we should not have ego. I am not born by my choice. This universe is so big beyond my imagination, so why should I have ego, a status, like why should I have like I am very bigger, my knowledge is much than others, etc. So you don't compare yourself. Your complete focus on in the present moment. For example, if I am talking like that, okay, then your focus should be on the pronunciation, on the words, how I speak, when I go slow, when I go higher pitch, and etc. Okay, so this is the thing you should focus. This is external, which is very easy. Okay, so you can copy anyone, but my focus was in today's video, you should focus on the internal shadowing. Okay, once you start thinking directly in English, then only it is 100% possible to speak fluently as I am speaking. But if you think without thinking in English I will be able to speak as I am speaking right now, you can't, to be honest. Whether you are copying Shah Rukh Khan or his son or anyone, it doesn't matter at all. Okay, so this was the technique. Okay friends, so again, if you really want me to make a series on this topic, like shadowing technique, repeat after me series for the next 7 days, then in that video I will speak very slowly. Okay, I will speak like money is very important in your life, then you can repeat after me. Okay, so anything if I would speak, you can repeat after me. This is how we will grow, and wherever you will make mistakes, I will correct you. Okay, and I will just understand just by your comment. If you comment me below, so that I will come in upcoming videos, I will come up with different ideas of shadowing technique. In today's video I was highlighting only the wrong way of doing shadowing. If you will follow the wrong way, you will see no any results, no any growth, no any progress. So why should we waste our time, right? So rather wasting time, it is better not to do anything. Just focus on other thing. But if you know the right way, then try to take immediate action. Don't try to delay, don't procrastinate the things for tomorrow. Okay friends, and please let me know in the comment section, and once I will just do shadowing with you, then you can see the magic that how we will grow all together. Okay, so thank you so much. But in today's video I want to show you something that you can see the nature beauty. Okay, right, and let me show this side, how beautiful place this is. I come here and enjoy every morning. Okay, so I want to tell you, if you have nature beauty or anything around you, then please sit down for a while and try to imitate, or not try to imitate, but try to observe, silent observation. Okay, this is known as silent repetition. Try to repeat everything in your mind.